Hello, this is Crypto CJ. Welcome to today's trade of the day. Today I'm going to talk about how I traded two coins three times total, from information received from Altcoin Alert's 1 hour projection sort. So I do have a screenshot that I saved from yesterday. So let's check that out. Okay, so here's what I was looking at yesterday morning around 8 o'clock. Origin Protocol, or OGN, is on the list. This is a coin I've traded a lot last year, so I recognized it right away. I talked about this trade quite a bit last night in my Monday night Zoom, so I'm not going to go over it too much as far as my analysis, but I will sort of gloss over it so anybody who didn't see the Zoom last night will at least know what I'm talking about. Then I also was interested in this coin here, ANKR, ANKR. Both of these showed up, in the top 10 of this 1 hour projected range. They have values at or over 5%. And let's see if I can make that a little bigger. Yeah, so this one, OGN has 4.51%. And ANKR has 5.51%. OGN has fire under trading activity and social activity, and it doesn't have an AA score. That's the third thing I look at when I evaluate coins based on this sort. And then over here, I've got trading activity on ANKR is fire. Social activity is normal, but 22% increase. Again, neutral AA score. So this is information I think is worth checking out. Let's look at the OGN day chart. Okay, so here we are on the OGN day chart, and why I want to look at this is because over the summer this coin was trading, 50, 60 cents up in this range, and then it dropped quite a bit down to around 10 or 11 cents here towards the end of the year. So that tells me this coin has room to move, and it's harder to find coins like this because Bitcoin's at an all-time high, Ethereum's at an all-time high, a lot of the altcoins are too. So I'm looking for alternatives to the alternative with this OGN trade. And I like what I see in this candle action trending up. So with the Altcoin Alert information I have, I think it's worth investigating further. Let's look at the OGN 5-minute chart. And this is what I'm seeing yesterday morning. Would have liked to have caught this dip, but no such luck. But it is trending up nicely, seems to have a pattern confirmed. So I am in at 28.40 at 8:09 a.m. I'm not in very long. I'm out at 29.90, just about a half hour later. I've got a 5.177% profit. And I was really only looking just to get, up around here. It had a little bit, it's not really resistance so much as a recent high. And I was just trying to pop this for 5%, and that worked out pretty well. So I look at this coin again this morning. Let's check that out. So here we are on what I was looking at this morning. Coin had gone sideways overnight and then started trending up in the morning around 10:30. So I've got the same information from yesterday, and I think it's worth getting back in. So I'm in at 3,400 at 10:39. Again, I'm in for 2 minutes. It takes me out 7.153%. Really nice profit there, and very fast. And then I'm thinking maybe I got out too soon. I should try to ride this a little longer. And what happens? I get a SigDev alert regarding OGN. Let's check that out. Okay, so here we are on the SigDev alert, significant developments. And this is what I'm looking at. Origin partners with Amazon to bring DShop to AWS. I don't even read this article. Origin partners with Amazon. That's all I need to know. Whenever a crypto develops a partnership with a really well-known company or a government agency or an actual government, that's something you pounce on right away. So I had a really nice result with XLM, Stellar, a few weeks ago when they partnered with the Ukrainian government. So that's what I'm thinking of with when I see this. So let's go back to the OGN chart. So based on the SigDev, I'm back in at 36:52, 10:56 a.m. I'm in a little bit longer, but not much. I sell this a second time for $39.90 at 11:08 for a 9.147% profit. So in a day, I've got profits of over 5%, 7%, and 9%. As a day trader, I'm loving that. None of these trades took very long. I had some really good information to work with. But as you can see, the coin trended up quite a bit more after I got out. I don't really worry about that. But I do want to show how somebody else traded this, somebody who attended my Zoom call last night. So let's go back to the Slack group. Okay, so here we are back on the Slack group. Wayne sends me a message that he watched the replay of my Zoom call last night. He got into OGN and he had a stop loss set it and had 30% profit as of 11:38 this morning. So I'm happy for him. I don't trade at night very often. I like to keep my nights free, but if an alert goes off, I will trade. And then I do check my positions before I go to bed. But to Wayne's credit, he hung in there. He set a stop loss, and it just trailed up, probably overnight and this morning. And he ended up getting out at 51 cents. The 65% profit. Way to go, Wayne. The student outdoes the teacher, but that's okay. He trades a certain way, I trade a certain way, and sometimes, it works out better for the person who holds, and there's nothing wrong with trading like that. I'm a day trader. I like to be in and out. That's how I roll. So anyway, I'm happy for him, and let's move on to the ANKR trade. So I will go to the ANKR chart. Okay, so here we are on the ANKR chart, and this is what I was seeing this morning, actually yesterday morning. And again, I would have liked to have caught this dip, but too early for me. But it trends up nicely, and I decided to catch this trend, so I get in at 1863 at 8:15. I'm just looking for a retrace up to probably right around this area here. Actually, I was trying to go beyond that. I was trying to go around 1990. I thought it might punch above this recent high, as so many of the other coins have done. But I have a different journey with this coin. It goes sideways, and then around 5 o'clock last night, it makes a nice move here, but it doesn't work out for me. It just misses my exit point of 1990. I'm busy preparing for my Zoom meeting, so I don't even see this. But again, you can see the candle action. It keeps hitting this 19.4 area, and it can't punch through. So I check this trade out before I go to bed around 11 o'clock. I just go ahead and sell this for 19.35 at 11:01 p.m. I've got a 3.784% profit. Not as lucrative as the OGN trades, but I'll take this kind of trade. It was 15, 16 hours, 3.784%, around 4%. I like that. So you can stack enough of these up, you can move your balance pretty quickly. So that's all I have for today's trades of the day. Hope it wasn't too long. Please stay tuned for some additional messages and check out the tools and resources in the comments below. I'll see you again next time. Bye.